Hey boys and girls, so if you remember seeing me today, I started a little video of unboxing and then my video went kaput. Well, I didn't know that if you get to talking too much, that your video will say, "You've talked too much, Mrs. McCabe. You were really blabbing." Well, I didn't have all my unboxing done from box number 5, so I need to finish it. So let's finish. My bad on losing you halfway through. So this is unboxing number 5, video number 2, second part. There are just 3 items left and I just couldn't leave you hanging with that video that just cut me off. So we ended up at some really awesome snake bracelets, and they're plushies. I accidentally forgot I had this one on and I wore it to kindergarten class, and the kindergartners were like, "That is the coolest bracelet ever, Mrs. McCabe." And so I had to tell them it was from the unboxing video. So Mrs. Grinhog's class, they did get a peek at these little boys when I was in guidance just right before the video, and the other video turned me off. Okay, next item in the box. We're gonna speed up a little bit. Oh boy, I don't know how I can speed up for these because they're slow rising. How can I speed up for slow rising? Yes. Hi, boys and girls. Look, mini slow rising stress relief toys. Yes, cadets. We're talking the mini square squishy. Oh yeah. So awesome. They come in multiple colors. You've got ruby red, daffodil yellow, Poptastic purple. What else is in here? These are so cool. Outrageous orange. Bubbling blue. Periwinkle perfect. Limetastic. Limeroony green. Oh my goodness. So those are the colors. I mean, that was quite a lot of colors in the mini slow rising stress relief toys. Cool box. Open it up, become stress-free. Wow, those are amazing. Love it. Which color would you pick? Which color would I pick? I really like this light blue. It kind of goes with my little bit of wall that you can see back there that's not messy, the only part in my room. So yeah, very cool. Okay, next is this. I don't know what it is. It's a box. It says inflatable, so it's something I'm going to have to blow up for you. So we'll see what that is. Oh, now I know. Inflatable bats. Perfect for summer fun. Let's open one up. Why not? There's a whole box of them. Come in many different colors. I'm not even going to try and blow this up, but you're and it blows up, and then you can play Han Solo, maybe Return of the Jedi, pretend you're hitting a ball, so they're blow up. I have actually seen these at carnivals. Step right up, win yourself a bat. Pow! So we've got a whole bag of those, a whole box, I should say. So those are in there too. Bats, blow up bats. Can't wait to see what they look like blown up. What's next? This one doesn't even come in a box. These are bottle stickers, and they are smiley faces. Oh, this one's really cool. I wouldn't mind putting that one on my computer. They're really nice ones. They're big. They're nice size. We'll compare them to my glasses. Yeah, they're the same sizes. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Now I can't see, but that's okay. Very cool. Oh my gosh, look at this one. I love it. Very cool. Okay, so pretty much any color you could think of. Pick one, pick one, pick one. Very cool colors. Last box. Yeah, last box. Bum, 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 bum. I don't know what it is. Actually, the tape is already off that a little bit. Here's the cute box. Oh, these are also a stressor. A stress gummy. Oh, I bet you could shoot one of those. Should we try? Yep, they do shoot. Okay, well, across the room it goes. Or maybe even... Oh, yeah, they do. So that was blue, orange. You got a green. You've got a... Yeah, a green. Achoo! No, just kidding. You got a yellow. You got a pink. Noodles, noodles. stress ball noodles. There's a whole bunch of them. A whole bag of them. So these would be really good on picking the nose too. So these are the prizes from box number 5. The only thing left in there is a tag, which is the price, and we're just going to leave that in there. So that was box number 5. By popular demand, box number 5. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and you enjoyed everything in it. They're all available at the Cadet Pride Carnival on May 20th. See you, cadets. Thanks for joining me for my unboxing.